Jigo at saka kay Ann, no? Kay Shermaine. Ito ang araw na kung saan tatango kayo sa harap ng Diyos sa isa't isa at sa harap ng inyong mga pamilya. Ito din yung araw na kung saan bibitiw na kayo sa mga tali ng inyong mga magulang. Aalis na kayo sa ilalim ng kanilang mga saya at gagawa kayo't magtatayo ng sarili ninyong buhay.
Thank God that He blessed me by giving me a big-time package. You know why? Because He gave me you as my Wonder Woman and Yana as my loving and instant daughter. I not only stand here and promise to be a loving, faithful husband, I promise to be a patient, loving and caring father to Yana. In your eyes, I have found my home. In your heart, I have found my love. In your soul, I have found my mate. You make me laugh, you make me cry. You're my breath, my every heartbeat.
Baby, before you came into my life, I was so weak. I have a lot of fear and I don't have voice to speak what inside of me. You taught me how to be brave. You came on God's perfect timing. You accept me, not only me, but you accept me, my whole life, my whole world, and especially for accepting Yana as your own daughter. I will always pray that God will give me a right one to help me, to give my daughter a brighter future. And God gave me you. Pinagdasal ko na, Lord, sana sa pinakamasaya at pinakamahalagang araw ng buhay ko, si Jigo ang kasama ko haharap sa'yo. At ito na tayo. Isa ito sa pinakapangarap ko na maikasal na maganda. At salamat, tinupad mo. Baby, hindi ako mangangako sa'yo dahil alam ko at may tiwala ako na mamahalin kita buong buhay ko. I love you, mahal na mahal kita.
These are the moments I remember all my life. I got all I've waited for, and I could not ask for more. Baby, I love you yesterday, I love you still. I'll always have, and forever will.
Hold me while I sleep. Fight the monsters in my dreams.
Baby, sorry na wala yung gift ko sa'yo. Kaya nagpabili na lang muna ako sa SM. Please. Poging future husband.
Yes! Show my class! Show my class!
So I forgot which was my place and which was not. Thought I had a good shot. I took it right in my eye. Look ahead, look behind. Take another, I don't mind. Follow the signs right back. right back to you, back to you.